Hey guys, so today we are showing you quickly some of the key things that we do when it comes to wrapping. So this vehicle is getting a color change, and you can see that besides doing good prep work is the direction of where you are going to pull a wrap also matters. So Elliot is saying that we should go this way because if we go from back to front, it's not going to pull as nicely. And it also always depends on the actual shape of the object that we're doing. So we elect to always do color PPF whenever possible. We've been transitioning more to this material, mainly because of the durability, and the client is going to get a much lasting longer product. Another tip is always start with a brand new blade. And what Elliot does is he tests on a spot here with the material to make sure it cuts the way he wants to. He doesn't just go ahead and start cutting and trimming right away.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah, my family.